जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं? तो आइट्स के स्पीकिंग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के हवाले से हम अपने उसी सिलसिले को जारी रखते हैं और आज हमारा टॉपिक है, जो पहला टॉपिक है वो सेलिब्रिटीज़ के हवाले से है। तो आइए हम अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन की तरफ चलते हैं। हु इज़ योर फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटी इन योर कंट्री? माई फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटी इन माई कंट्री इज़ Humayun Saeed. He really has a charismatic personality. He is loved by all, not only by female fans but also the male fans. His, his acting is so much close to reality. He has produced so many movies and so many dramas, and his dramas remained so successful. And above all, apart from being a good actor, he is also a very good person. He helps the poor and the needy. How do celebrities influence their fans in your country? Celebrities influence their fans with their good work, with their good character. As the celebrities, they have thousands of, hundreds of thousands of their followers. So, as we know that their followers follow the footsteps of their heroes, their favorite celebrities. So, if the celebrities play some positive role in their real lives, if they take part in the charitable activities, if they raise funds for the victims, for the poor, for the needy, so we observe that their followers also do the same. They really open-handedly they take part in the charity works. They like to follow even their lifestyles. They like to wear the favorite clothes of and favorite colors of their favorite celebrities. So they love to be like them. Do you like any foreign celebrities? Yes, I like, though I like so many foreign celebrities, but the one I really love, or I really like is, or I like the most of all, is Mr. Amar Khan. He belongs to Bollywood film industry. He is a Muslim film actor. He belongs to India. But I like his acting. I like Amar Khan because he really has a spellbound personality. Spellbound personality in the sense that he still looks so young and so smart, and his acting in the movies is so appealing and so real like. A person is really wonderstruck when he watches him in the movies as an actor. Apart from that, his choice of movies and especially his choice of topics in his movies is so great, is up to mark. I would say that remarkable, fabulous. He has produced the movies that uh, really bagged so many awards to them, to Mr. Amar Khan. I may quote so many of his movies, but I never forget to quote his two of his movies. The one is PK movie, in which he really has chosen a topic which is quite different, which is a full of lesson, edification, I would say, जो यानी अखलाकी सबक से भरा हुआ है. And also his other movie, namely Three Idiots, in which he really showed the people related to teaching and learning, the importance of real teaching and importance of real learning. Would you like to be a celebrity? I don't think so that I am suitable to be a celebrity because I am a teacher, so my profession is very much different from those of celebrities. And I think I want to lead my life the way I am. Though I really love the celebrities, the way they are provided with VVIP protocol, the way they have millions of fans throughout the world. But I don't want be to be living a very hard life also. Apparently, we observe or we think that these celebrities are living a very glamorous life, but their personal liberty is deprived. They cannot go publicly alone without being disturbed by the mob of people. Media is after them all the time. People all the time are after them. So they cannot give proper time to their families. And also, we observe that their lives are most often at threat. So I won't like to be a celebrity. I would like to be what I am. Do you think we should protect famous people's privacy? Of course. We must protect the privacy of famous people. Generally speaking, we observe that the famous people do not have privacy. Wherever they go, media is after them, people are all the time after them. They cannot remain alone. Sometimes we observe they have to wear veil to hide their faces when they go to public. In the like manner, their lives are all the time at threat. Media sometimes treats them very badly. They scandalize their actions. They magnify their even slight mistakes. So I would say that the privacy of the famous people must be protected. They must remain intact. तो आए हम अपने अगले टॉपिक की तरफ जाते हैं। तो हमारा अगला टॉपिक है स्ट्रीट मार्केट्स, जो हम अक्सर देखते हैं। ये जो स्ट्रीट मार्केट्स होती हैं, ये जो खुले बाजार होते हैं, उनके हवाले से ये हमारे सामने क्वेश्चन आ गया है, टॉपिक आ गया है। तो इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, आर देयर मैनी स्ट्रीट मार्केट्स इन योर कंट्री? Yes, there are so many street markets in our country, and they are so popular. When we visit the street markets, we are wonderstruck to see thousands of people there. There is a great rush of people there, especially, especially on Sunday or on weekend. I mean, on Sunday, on weekend, and also on Friday. There are special markets which are held on these specific days, like Sunday and Friday. So there are so many such markets in our country. What do you sell markets? Sorry, what do street markets sell? They mostly sell the books, also the second hand things. They also sell fruits and vegetables, and sometimes they also bid different kind of things such as decoration pieces. Also, they mostly sell the clothing, decorations, and shoes, and so forth and so forth. As mostly the prices of such things are really affordable at the street market, so people prefer to do shopping from such street markets. But we also observe that sometimes these street markets sell substandard things, as they don't have so much credibility as is general associated with the big shops, because big shops, they have their brand names, they have their specific names, they have their permanent location. So we find that some people may also avoid buying from street markets due to their selling the substandard thing or the things of lower quality. Do you think people like street markets? Definitely. People love street markets. As I already mentioned, that they can find different things at very reasonable price as compared to the big shops, the stalls or the small shops at the street markets. They don't have to pay so much rent which is otherwise associated or paid by the big shops, and also they don't pay so many taxes which are generally paid by the big shopkeepers or the big businessmen at the shopping malls. So people like to do shopping from the street markets for the several reasons, as some of the reasons I have already mentioned in my previous answer. तो अच्छा, इसमें और सवाल क्वेश्चन भी हम बना सकते हैं कि व्हाट डू यू प्रिफर टू डू शॉपिंग from the malls or from big shops or from the street markets? So I personally prefer to do shopping from the street markets because they have plenty of things, and sometimes we find some rare things which are generally not easily found on the big malls, but those are available in these street markets. So I personally prefer to do shopping from street markets. However, when I want to buy something really branded, so I prefer to do shopping from the big malls, from the branded shops. At the branded shops, they mostly sell the things of high standard, so I prefer them. तो आइए हम अपने अगले टॉपिक की तरफ आते हैं। एक्सक्यूज मी, अगला टॉपिक है हमारा सन ग्लासेस। ये जो धूप का चश्मा होता है, जो नॉर्मली हम देखते हैं कि लोग धूप के चश्मे पहनते हैं। सो डू पीपल इन योर कंट्री वियर सन ग्लासेस? तो अगेन मैं उसी क्वेश्चन को रिपीट करता हूं कि डू पीपल इन योर कंट्री वियर सन ग्लासेस? Absolutely. People in our country mostly wear sunglasses as the temperature remains very high, especially in the summer season. It even rises up to 48 and 49 degrees centigrade. So the sunshine is so sharp and it is really very scorching heat outside. There is sunstroke outside. So people prefer to wear sunglasses in our country. Even in the winter, when the sun is in full bloom, so it is very difficult to watch in the glare, in the sunshine, in the severe sunshine. So people prefer to wear sunglasses. Do you like to wear sunglasses? Of course, I like to wear sunglasses. As I already told you, that they really save me from the scorching heat, from the severe or sharp sunshine, and also it is part of fashion. It is part of it makes my outfit so beautiful. So I really love to wear sunglasses. So do you often wear sunglasses? Yes, I often wear sunglasses because you may say that I love to wear sunglasses. They add to my personality. So whenever I am doing walk outside, so whenever I am riding on bike, I wear sunglasses. They really protected my eyesight. They really protected my eyes. So I love to wear sunglasses. तो ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जो सन ग्लासेस के हवाले से थे। तो आइए हम अपने अगले टॉपिक की तरफ चलते हैं, और हमारा अगला टॉपिक है रबिश या गार्बेज के हवाले से। ये जो कूड़ा करकट है इसके हवाले से। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाट डू यू डू व्हेन यू सी रबिश ऑन द स्ट्रीट? टू टेल यू द ट्रूथ, आई रियली हेट इट, and I really dislike the people who throw garbage in the streets. And if possible for me, I take it up, I pick it up, and try to dispose it off into a proper bin, into a proper rubbish place. So sometimes when I pick it up, it really seems very yucky. I mean, very disgusting to lift it up. But I don't feel shame of, because I believe that cleanliness is half of faith, as Islam stresses us to be clean and and like cleanliness. Do you think it is important to keep the city clean? I think it is very important to keep the city clean, because most of the people we find, especially if we look at the situation of the advanced countries, we find that those those cities are so clean, and whosoever visit those cities really loves them, and also praise of appreciates praises of or appreciates those people who keep their cities clean. And I also believe that it is a part of civic beauty, because a city, I think a nation cannot be called a civic nation until, or civilized nation, until or unless people keep their areas, keep their towns, keep their houses, and above all keep their cities clean. आर यू ए टाइडी पर्सन? उसने क्वेश्चन किया है ना कि आप टाइडी पर्सन है जो हर चीज को साफ सुथरा रखता है, तरतीब में रखता है। यस, आई एम ए टाइडी पर्सन। सो वेन एवर आई गो टू माई ऑफिस, आई सी दैट द थिंग्स आर मेसी, आई कीप देम इन राइट पोजिशन, आई ट्राई टू keep everything at its right place. I clean my room. I even prepare my bed. So I hate the dirt. So you can say that I am a tidy person. Have you ever done anything to help the environment? Yes. I all the time I take part in the campaigns which mostly people start to keep their environment clean. So I try to be part of them. Even on the individual level, यानी इंफरादी तौर पर भी, whenever I see garbage anywhere, as I am also I dispose it off in at a proper place. As I and also I am a teacher, so whenever I deliver lecture, as we know that students follow the advice of their teachers. So importance of cleanliness, importance of clean environment remains excuse me, remains the subject of my lecture. Do you recycle things like paper and plastic? क्या आप चीज़ों को रिसाइकल करते हैं? As I don't have a recycling plant in my house, but I definitely separate them in 2 to 3 garbage bags. For example, in one bag I mostly put the plastic items. In the other bag I mostly throw the other garbage. And yet another bag I mostly put the glass items. So this is how I recycle them on my own, so that when I throw them into the garbage dump, when I dump them, so it will be quite easy for me, and of course for the authorities, to dispose those items in a proper way, and also for the dispose them off in the recycling plants in a very proper way. And also when I do shopping, I mostly carry the cloth bag with me. So this is how I avoid asking the shopkeeper to give me a plastic bag. So this is how, and also I try to reuse those plastic shopping bags which I already have in my house. So this is how I recycle these papers and plastic items. Would you like to help other people to keep your town or city tidy? Of course. I would like to advise people to keep their town and city clean, and I participate in all such campaigns. And again, I would say, as I am a teacher, so wherever I go, wherever I teach, as I deliver lectures at 2 to 3 different institutions, so most often I advise the people, and particularly to my students, the importance of keeping their city or town clean and tidy. Do you think schools should educate children to protect the environment? Of course. In the previous answer, I already focused and stressed on the education of children, especially in the protection of environment. As school is a place where teachers can educate their children very well. They can advise them the importance of cleanliness, and also they should give awards and certificates of appreciation to those children or those students who keep their classroom, who keep their environment neat and clean. So ये कुछ टॉपिक्स थे जो मैंने मुनासिब समझा कि मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ इनको डिस्कस करूं। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इनको अच्छे तरीके से सुनेंगे, और फिर आखिर में आपको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि मेरी वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करें, और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें। इस तरह ये होगा कि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक नोटिफाई हो जाएगी, आपको पता चल जाएगा उसके बारे में। और अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, और मुझे दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।